Dear Annette, my landlord has refused to refund my caution fee to me. Please advise me what to do. I really need my money back. I agreed that after I move out of the apartment, it was going to pay my caution fee. Hello once again, my name is Annette. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover your caution fee from your landlord. Whether it's inside the country or outside the country, whether you've been dealing with the agent or the landlord or the lawyer, there are different ways you can recover your caution fee back. Stay tuned, like this video, share, subscribe for more insight and more information you'll be getting from me. And don't forget to share this video, follow me. And if you need my assistance in buying or renting a property here in Lagos, feel free to inbox me and I'll be here to grant you your need, hopefully. Okay, coming back to this, I have had series of people make complaint about caution fee, how they made payment both inside and outside the country. I have dealt with people also outside the country, and I've collected my caution fee in every apartment I wanted to stay or I want to stay because I know the steps to follow. So I'm going to teach you this step, and I hope you're going to follow this step properly, and I promise you'll be able to collect your caution fee in any property that you decide to rent, whether inside Nigeria or outside Nigeria. So first is make the agreements with the landlord. When you're making that payment, how am I going to collect my caution fee back? If you know, when you're making payments to people, they are always sweet talking, yes, this, that. At that time, make sure you write it down. Let it be documented. If he doesn't want it, pack your load, take your money and go. But let it be documented. Then the next step is when you move into the property, make a video of the property from the cupboard to under the sink, in case they are going to come back and tell you that the sink is broken or there's a leakage somewhere, to the under the sink in case they come back and tell you that there's a leakage, to the bathroom, to the ceiling, to the colors. Make a proper video. Keep one for yourself and send one to the landlord. Like, seriously, send one to the landlord or his lawyer or whoever you've been dealing with, but make sure you keep one for yourself. And then the next to do is a month before you pack out, inform the landlord or whoever is involved. I'll be leaving this property in so period. Can you come and inspect the property so that I can recover my caution fee back? Especially when you don't owe them rent or lights bill or anything, you need to do all this. And then, voila, that is how you recover your money back. And by the time they come back and tell you, no, you did not do this, you do that, you send the video back to them. This is it. Make a before and after video if possible. And if they still insist on not giving you the money, then you can now take them to court. Like, seriously, as small as or as big as your caution fee can be recovered back. So follow the step, and if they know you know the right thing, like seriously, if they know you know the right process and the right thing to do, they will not make any mistake. And for example, if they refuse, because I know that question might come, what if they refuse to write it, or they are supposed to put that in your tenancy agreement, and then if they refuse to put down your tenancy agreement or give you a different letter stating that, the fact that you've made that video before and after is going to help you. I've watched series of videos too where they bring those and they bring it to light, like this is the before and this is the after. It still looks the same. I did not change the color, and then you are good to collect your caution fee back. Anyways, this is your girl Annette. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, make your comments, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. And in case you're thinking of renting or buying a property here in Lagos, most especially in Lagos Island, do feel free to inbox me or chat me or follow my WhatsApp number, and I'll be here to help you find your dream home. Once again, stay out of trouble and bye for now.